Yes, so you've heard that you can make money online, but you really do not know how. So today, actually, I'm going to show you one website that you can make money working right from home. It's a very simple way. So what I want you to do is just watch this video to the end, and I am going to show you how you can make a few dollars working right from where you are now, totally free, doing very simple work that will take, in fact, some less than 1 minute for you to earn a couple of dollars. So we are talking about Picoworkers. So Picoworkers actually is an online platform for freelancers, and where jobs are offered, you complete small tasks and then you are paid. Your sign up bonus is $0.75. After you have confirmed your email, you are paid $7.5. So it's actually a marketplace for people who want to work from home and earn some quick money, to do a few things. You don't also want to work long hours, or even during break time. You can just hook onto this website and do a few things, go back to your normal job and continue doing whatever you're doing. So you can earn good money at the end of the month, doing little things. 1 minute, 5 minutes, you can do something from this website. So it is actually a US-based company, and if you are familiar with other websites, later, in fact, I will do another video on websites too, like Picoworkers. They will also be reviewed, so you can join all of them and then make money, extra money to pay a couple of bills. So it's actually a very simple way of creating your account, and it's very straightforward. All you need is just to provide your full name and email and your country of residence, and you have to complete your profile, and you just choose a nickname, as your bio and that. So Picoworkers, like I said earlier, once you sign up, your sign up bonus is $7.75. So how does Picoworkers, how does it work? It's actually a very simple system. You are only required to complete a couple of tasks per the requirement of the employer. So let me say that there are employers and there are workers. So the task you'll be doing is actually for somebody. Somebody put that task there for you to do and get paid. So if I have a particular task that I think I'm too busy to be doing, let me be doing other things. There are other freelancers. I can contact, virtual assistants to do this job for me. Then why should I do it myself? That is actually where the world is getting to. A time will come where there will no longer be structures as offices. It will just be everything will be outsourced to virtual assistants. So get prepared. So after you finish, with your tax, you just submit a proof, and then your employer will look at the proof. If it's a valid proof, you are paid. If it is not, you will not be paid. And let me warn you that if you are the type who is found of providing false proof, then your account is likely to be banned or closed down. So earlier I told you we have the workers and we have the employers. So the workers will post their job to be done, and then the employers, the employers will post the work they want to be done, and then the workers will do it. And they are very simple things. Very simple things to be done. So an employer may ask people to help them to sign up to a website, to like their Facebook page or any of the social media pages, like, comment, and share. review a product or a website, or watch videos on YouTube and you are paid. I really love that, you know. And sometimes some of the videos are very helpful, very helpful videos, you know. Maybe I can ask that, okay, you follow my subscribe to my YouTube channel and you are paid, you know, and maybe I really have something to offer. So if you even subscribe, it's going to benefit you, you know, but then I pay you. So later, you know, I review the work. If it meets the standard I actually put there, then I pay you. And let me tell you that for all of them, the employer will put the instructions to be followed. So you really, I mean, there are guidelines for you. So you select the job, finish it, and submit your proof of payment. Then you are paid. So usually, the employer have between 1 to 7 days to review the task or the job you have done, and then will pay you. So those are it. I mean, you just sign up to a website, watch videos, like a Facebook page, and that's. And there are some too that, you know, may require some technical skills to complete, and they pay more. So, for example, design a web page, you know, to review, to test a website or a digital product, maybe a mobile application, and you know, Android, iOS, etc. And you are paid. And also writing content on blog, you know, you are to review, write your comments and all that, so you are paid. It could also be a forum, and you are paid. So small jobs, you are paid. Instagram, Facebook, you know, very distant. They take, most of them take less than 5 minutes to complete. Just less than 5 minutes. Whilst you are lying down or you are taking your lunch, you can complete 1 or 2 lessons to make a couple of dollars. And we have ongoing jobs as well that may require a number of people. Some of them can take like a month. So every day you work for some 5 minutes, then maybe it could be 3 days, 3 times in a week. I mean, those are ongoing jobs. So this is how the featured jobs are like. So you could have something like, you see, visit a website. Just go to the website and give a proof that you have visited the website and you are paid. I mean, it's really that simple. These are actually paying far more than the pay-per-click websites where you have to view ads to be paid. So these are some of the featured ongoing jobs. So some of them, this is a week tax. So on a daily basis, some are paying as much as $1.5 per tax that will take you just, you know, 5 minutes or 30 seconds to complete. So how do you get paid? Yes, so this website will pay you through various options such as PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, all that. So you just need to provide your listing. And when you make commission, you make up to $5. I think that's the minimum that you can withdraw. So you can either join this website as an employer or as a worker, or both. Even if you're a worker, you can also employ others to do other things for you. So I really love this website. I encourage you to join. So there, I'm leaving a link below. Just click on it, and then you can also have your experience on this website. It's a great website. That is it. So please like this channel, like the comment, comment, like and share this video if it brought some value to you, and make sure to check, next time. Subscribe to the channel to make sure you come next time. I promise you there will be great videos for you. Thank you. I'm out.